Okay, so I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. My day was really boring and I'm in a meh mood. So I'm sorry if I'm not super like upbeat in this video. That's just how I feel. Yeah, I wanted to do a purple look, and mainly because I wanted to use the color Artistry from the James Charles palette. Are y'all surprised? I'm not. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's prime our eyes, ladies.
Wow, that's crazy. How do I do that?
Priming my eyes is probably my favorite step in this whole thing. It just makes, it's just like such a clean canvas, and it's just, oh, bro. I love a good primed eye. I decided that I'm gonna do this eye off of camera so I can figure out what I'm actually doing. Then I'll come back and show you guys how to do it. So, BRB, don't miss me too much. I know it's gonna be hard. I know. First eye has been completed. It took me 30 minutes. I don't know if that's good or bad. It felt like less. The first thing I did was take the shade called Escape, so this dark purple. So since this is a halo eye, we're going to take that purple shade and we're going to pack it on the inner and outer corner. We're going to connect these two shades in the crease. So we're going to make a sort of bridge. So that's been done. It has like a circular shape to it. Now we're going to take the shade called Love That, and I love the shade. Oh, I love it.
I guess that you could say that I love that shade.
So you're gonna take that shade, take it, and we're gonna place it on the edge of the little bridge, and we're gonna use this color to blend out that purple harsh line. Once that's done, I'm just going back in with a dark purple shade and repacking it on the inner and outer corner, and just making sure that this color is still there and like pigmented. It's like a weird angle. I'm literally twisted up like a pretzel. Like. Okay, so now that that's done and it looks like you have a black eye, taking the shade called Pinkity Drinkity. It's just a really light pink shade. And I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and run this over everything and just blend everything out. And now it's time to cut the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the middle of my lid since this is a halo eye. So I'm gonna start by placing a little bit of concealer in the center of my eye. And this part takes a long time. I think this is the part that takes the most time just because you wanna make sure that everything is precise. And now we're going to use the star of the show, Little Miss Artistry. This super beautiful purple dual chrome shade. She's gorgeous. She really is gorgeous. So something that I did on this eye that kind of sucked was I just went ahead and just used my finger, tapped that onto the concealer. But then I later had to put on some NYX glitter glue on top of that and then reapply it. So save some time and do the glitter glue step first and then do that. Okay, so now that that's done and the lid shade has been applied, I'm gonna take a Precise brush, this one, and I'm gonna take the Escape shade, which is the dark purple. I'm gonna use that to outline only the top of this halo eye. And now we're gonna take the same color, so the same dark purple shade, and we're gonna pack it on the inner and outer corners to blend out this harsh line. So I finished this eye and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Okay, so this is this eye. Still don't know how to properly do the inner corner, but it's fine. Super cute. Is it fully blended? Do we care? Go ahead and apply my lashes right now. The lashes I'm using are the Dodo lashes in D115. Lashes are on. So this is what they look like. Now that I'm looking at it, it really looks like my pink look that I did. We're just gonna ignore that. That's what they look like. I'm gonna go do my face makeup and figure that out, and I'll be right back. Face makeup is done. So the only thing left is to smoke out the bottom lash line. Put on your sunglasses right now. Put on your sunglasses right now. Hope you had your sunglasses on. This look is giving me Courage the Cowardly Dog vibe. This look is giving me Ursula. Here is a final look at the eyes and how they all came out. So cute. Love it. Okay, so everything has been done. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great night. It's 12. I hate when I do my makeup super late at night, and I always do my makeup late at night. Like, I've never gone out with this whole thing before. Maybe I'll do that. Video idea? Peace out.